Today's tech tip is presented by Women in E-commerce, helping women do business on the web since 2001. And we're going to present the imagecolorpicker.com tutorial. Have you ever wanted to know how to find an image color that you can match to create other images from? Sometimes you'll have a strange color like a turquoise or a purple or basically any color, and you just don't know the exact color. So you choose basic colors and you try to match it. Well, this image color picker, not only is it a free online tool, it will help you find the exact HTML code for an image you are trying to match. So let me just take you over there to imagecolorpicker.com to show you what I mean. So here we are at imagecolorpicker.com, and you can pick any color from any image and you can match it. I've been using this for a long time to help my clients who want to match images on their websites. So here, it's so simple. All you do is you hover over the image, you click on it, and you can, over here, it will not only show you the HTML code, it will also show you the RGB codes if you use that and you need it, like say for Adobe or something. You can click on any color. As you can see, here's the color. It shows up right here. It's very cool. And so like this is kind of a funny color, salmon color. And when you want to use this, say you want to create an image in Canva or Adobe or Photoshop or something, you just can't find the exact color code. So this is really cool, but let me just show you how you can use this. In addition to uploading an image, which is what I did, and I'll upload that image again so you can see what I did. I just found the Wekai image. I named it specifically for this example. So it's Wekai, let me see if I can find it again. Image Wekai header for image color picker. And I just simply uploaded that. You choose upload image, you choose your file, and then you click send image. And it'll take a minute or so, not a minute, maybe 30 seconds or so, and it will actually replace whatever image was in there when you signed up. So there's the image again. You can also upload an image from a website. So let me show you this. This does not always work well because sometimes it'll only take the background. So I had to play around with this to find one that it would actually work with. So the best one I found was entrepreneurs.com. It rendered the image well. So you might have to play around with that particular part. The best one is to upload your own image. That will work the best. So this will take a second or so, a few seconds, and then it should show the cover image. And because there's an image on that page, it actually picked up the image. But when there's not a distinct image, it'll maybe pick up the logo, or it may not only pick up the background. So let me just show you how cool this is. Look at how little these pictures are. And it found the color for that particular image. It can find the color of a person's flesh tones, which is very cool because sometimes those are difficult to match as well. Background color like this blue, the black of course here. So you can see it works very well. Let me see if I find this, that like burgundy color, this light blue. So let's say you want to upload an image from a site and you don't want to download the image. So I went over to Women in E-commerce and I simply clicked on the, let me try this one. That one didn't seem to open up. Copy image address. Let's hope this works this time. It didn't work the first two times I did it, but you copy the image address and to test it, you can open up a blank screen and you can see that's the actual image. So I took a blank screen, I had copied the image, that's the URL of the uploaded image. So I'm going to do that and hopefully, let's fingers crossed, it works. You click again, take image. Nope. See, sometimes that works and sometimes it doesn't. So you can play around with it, but we know the first two work. an image from a website and uploading your own image. And again, I have the best luck when I simply use upload image. So again, this has been Heidi from Women in E-Commerce showing you today's tech tip for imagecolorpicker.com. Be sure to visit www.wecai.org for more great tech tips.